Wisconsin. Extremely armed and dangerous. That Kings International 335. Here we go. Moving speed. Those of you that had the opportunity to see we did the one sandwich last week, this was the one they carried to the winner's circle on a hook. You know, it was just unbelievable how fast it went out there, you know. Exactly. Back in the track now. Well, I get a little of that sounds pretty good, I'll tell you. That's the number 2 tractor, too. That little tractor top and that alcohol, you can tell you're just here to the left foot, here to the right. We'll make that alcohol pop a little differently. With us differently. And see the winner for all right, here we go. Let's see. Little suspect when he left the starting line. He was kind of a little anxious watching it come down the track, filming what they dealt with behind the starting area. Don't see any problems, didn't see any problems with Brett Bates' second load. So the second load of that, out there, 275 with an 040. One tonight, you can't get it, go there and order it off the website. You can get it then. All right, here we go, sit up. The Desperado comes on the south end of this is power and drive. Every bounce took 20 feet. On the wheel and bars a long time, several times, probably 4 or 5 times anyway. And you're right, it's 20, 30 feet right there. You're absolutely right. You can see it after that first time. Josh Blackburn, he's ready to come at you now, fans. Kind of looks like a diesel riding out, but it's not. He'll clear it out. Here he comes. Right? I asked him if he was going to spank Dan, and I said, nope. I said, yeah, I'm going to. Well, that tractor has a problem. The last 2 or 3 times we've seen it pull, it pulls to the left. And I don't know what is going on. It goes to the left every time. Did tonight as well. So, unfortunately for him.